We are here. This is carrot juice. This is real? Black. Hi everyone. Happy Saturday. May napapansin ba kayo sa aking mga vlog? Every Saturday ako nagba-vlog. But anyway, ang bilis kasi ng panahon and like every other day lang ako nagba-vlog. Not really, but yung mga highlights of the day yung mga bina-vlog ko. So that's why Saturday na naman tayo ulit. And we are going somewhere today sa coffee shop. So I am just waiting for my friend to pick me up and aalis na kami. I think she's I thought siya yung nakamotor but hindi pala. So yeah, come and join me. Come and join us today kung saan kami pupunta. I don't know if makapag-vlog ako like full vlog, but yeah. See you later. We are here. We are here, guys. Okay, the Vinti corner. Đi đâu mà cũng có may ở đây. Em đi học nha. Đi đâu? My teacher. Say hello đi. This is carrot juice and this one is orange. Orange juice. Pineapple juice. Pineapple, okay. Plum flower. This is real? Plum flower. This one. So I'm not beautiful. Because okay. Go. Okay. of course. Kanina pa lang. So, ang lulutuin natin tonight is giniling pork. I don't know kung ano. Basta pork. Tapos carrots. Para siyang, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag, but yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Basta giniling na pork with carrots. And then, this carrot is, this has been here for more than a week now. So, lulutuin na natin siya. Ididiretso ko na yung ground pork after nito. Like, isahan lang ba? Isahang luto lang. Kasi dyan, kakulan ko dyan. Powder. Hinalo ko na. Part is mayonnaise. Ayan, OMG. Sarap. Mga unta guys, mga untayo. I'm so hungry. Kasi imagine, almost more than a week ko walay rice. Like, Soup. Soup lang, soup. Nag-rice pala ako, but parang lugaw, ganun. So, karon banat pagkaon. Parang madilim ah. Lami siya as in, promise. Sundo ba lang niyo ako ang recipe. Char. Natingala na ko rin mga silingan namo ni Ribang. Dira kong istorya nga ako ra isa. Kasi maririnig kasi nila ako sa labas. Kasi yung bahay na to is wala siyang door na soundproof. Kasi you know, most of the houses here ay parang soundproof. Tapos itong bahay na to hindi. Tingnan niyo yung oras. Alas 9 na. And yung isa wala pa dito. Asa kaha tong isa. Asa na pud kaha to, char. He's with his friend Ian. And may ano sila ngayon? May pinag-uusapan silang importanteng bagay, which is motor. So yeah. I'm still very careful kasi hindi pa to tapos eh. I think I'm gonna end the vlog now. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Bye.